In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold your text, wait for the pop-up, and tap on pin. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of anything from your clipboard, you can either select your text and swipe it to the right, or hold it and tap on pin icon in the same pop-up as before. To disable Clipboard completely, tap on this switcher at the top right corner again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!